Hello viewers, in this video I will tell you how you can create unlimited Gmail account without phone number. Let's start the video. There is a trick by which you can create an unlimited Gmail account. First of all, you have to open YouTube app in your mobile. Now you have to click on the profile icon on the top right side. Now you can see the option of an account at the third number. Click on it. Now you will create a Gmail account here. There will be no verification required from you. You can create it without mobile number. Click on Create Account. Now you have to click on Farmer Personal Page. If you want to create an account for your business, then you have to click on Work and iBusiness. Here you have to type your first name and last name. Here you have to type your date of birth, and below you have to select your gender and then click on Next. Now here he has given us Gmail account. Whatever you want to select ID, you can do it. If you want to create ID by yourself, then you have to click on Create Your Own Gmail Address. Here you have to enter the password and click on Next. Then click on Next here. Now you have to click on I agree. So our Gmail account has been created. You can see that our Gmail account has been created without verification. You can create multiple accounts like this by doing this trick. If the video helped you, then subscribe my channel and like the video. Take care of yourself and your elders.